Hey there, welcome to another PastorBlogs.com tutorial. In our last tutorial, we looked at how to manage events and add events. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to take events off of your website. I recognize that not everyone needs an events capability, and so I want to make it easy for you to remove it from the front end of your website. The first place that we see is that there is an upcoming page right here, and so I'll show you how to get rid of that in the menu area. And then down here below, there is an events list of the three upcoming events. How do you say that? The closest three events that you have of upcoming events, and this is the one that you just don't have to worry about. If you don't have any events published, this area right here will hide itself. And if you don't have any events published on the upcoming page, this area right here will hide itself as well. But that means that if someone comes to the upcoming page, they're just going to see nothing. And so to fix that, we need to go to the back end. That's not our back end. Huh. We need to go to the dashboard, our admin area. And then we need to go to site settings and menus. This will pull up the menus that you have on your website. We only have one really for our beta for the Pastor Blogs, and it's the header menu. And we can click on the upcoming thing right there, click remove, save the menu, and now when we go back to the front, there's only the upcoming has been removed. Simple as that. If you don't need the events capability, you can take it off in a few seconds.